Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to unbox Hawaiian Shaved Ice machine. How cool is that? You can use your ice cubes as well as ice block. It comes with compact storage and yes, also guys, 1 year warranty. So let's see exactly what is inside. You can see right away the instructional manual as well as basically it just shows you exactly what to do. And yes guys, so here are your cups, which is super convenient. And let's look at the star of the show, the device itself. It comes in separate pieces as you can see. So let's definitely navigate it together. So yeah, so basically this piece goes on top of this one and you can see actually the razor inside, right? So that's a great thing. So yes, we just basically push this piece on top and then we actually put it on top in here. And also what I really like, it comes with this rubber base, so you'll be able to easily use it and your cups will stay in place. So yes, it looks like this goes in here just like this and you are ready to operate your machine. Cannot wait to experiment with it some more, so definitely check it out.